Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The 2022 BMW M4 is just as exciting as its M3 sedan sibling, but only it's available as a coupe or soft-top convertible. The base hard-top model comes exclusively with rear-wheel drive, a satisfying manual transmission, and a thrilling 473 HP twin-turbo straight-six. The competition variant gets an enhanced 503 HP engine, a snappy automatic gearbox, and unique chassis tuning that should culminate in quicker lap times at the local racetrack. Only the automatic M4 is available with all-wheel drive, and this slick system features a drift-worthy rear drive mode. Regardless of the body style or power delivery, the M4 is a hoot to hoon, and its ride is remarkably civil when hunting apexes isn't part of the daily commute. We wish BMW gave it analog gauges instead of indecipherable digital ones, and we'd prefer fewer adjustable drive mode settings, but overall the 2022 M4 is delightful to drive, and that's what matters. The big news for the 2022 M4 lineup is the return of a convertible model in the addition of all-wheel drive for the first time. Those opting for the new droptop model, which features a retractable fabric top instead of a hard top, can only get it with the competition tune and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. While this combination is intriguing, it makes the M4 Competition convertible considerably more expensive than its coupe counterpart. There are a number of good reasons to spend the extra coin on the M4 Competition, including the extra horsepower and torque as well as the eventual availability of all-wheel drive. However, we'd choose the regular M4 for one really good reason: it's the only one with a satisfying manual transmission. We'd also opt for the lightweight and extra supportive M carbon bucket seats as well as the xDrive professional package, onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the xDrivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and includes a one-day class for high-performance driving. Engine, transmission, and performance: the M4 is motivated by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that comes in two potencies. The standard version makes 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. In our testing, this setup shot to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and cleared the quarter mile in 12.0 ticks at 121 miles per hour. With 503 horses and 479 pound-feet, the competition model is even quicker, but the lone transmission choice is an 8-speed automatic. To offset the lack of a stick-shift option, only the M4 Comp can be equipped with a rear-biased all-wheel drive system. Every M4 comes with adaptive dampers, adjustable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that gets louder in Sport and Sport Plus drive modes. The loudness can also be turned down at any time by pushing the M sound button. BMW also provides an excessive amount of adjustable drive mode settings that we think can dilute the driving experience that BMW's engineers envisioned. Thankfully, our time behind the thick-rimmed wheel of the M4 Competition showcased its tenacious acceleration, incredible cornering grip, and resolute stability. We're also happy to report that BMW has improved the coupe's steering feel. Just don't expect it to offer the feedback of any two-door Porsche. Thanks for watching.